Hello, I'm Dawn Andrew, Embroidery Specialist for OESD. We're going to look at how to stitch out the designs for Stipple Scribbles Pack 12577 and using them to embellish a girl's pair of jeans. This is a new design technique. The digitizing is a combination of stipple stitches and variegated threads. We'll stitch on tulle or netting using wash-away stabilizer. There are 10 cute designs in the Stipple Scribbles Pack 12577. We'll gather our supplies. OESD's Embroidery Collection Stipple Scribbles Pack 12577, Wash-Away Stabilizer, Tulle or Netting, Isocord Embroidery Threads, Isocord Multicolor Embroidery Threads, and a girl's pair of jeans. The designs: 1257707, a butterfly, 1257708, a heart, and 1257710, the bow, are stitched so we can embellish the pair of jeans. To stitch out the designs, we want to hoop 2 pieces of wash-away stabilizer. We'll place a piece of tulle over the stabilizer, and we'll start stitching the design. There are several color changes, and with each color change, the design will take on a new look. It's now beginning to look like a heart. There are still a couple more colors to stitch out, and then the black outline. The design is now complete. Remove the design from the hoop. Trim 1/4 of an inch around each of the designs. Wash away the stabilizer and allow to dry. We are now ready to assemble them, place them on our jeans. So take your designs and decide on the placement. I decided to place one on the middle of the jeans leg, so I took a seam ripper and opened up this seam. I'm going to pin the designs on the front and the back pocket. And now I'm ready to stitch the butterfly on the back pocket. Use one of the multicolored embroidery threads. Use a zigzag stitch with the feed dogs down, or use a free motion quilting foot with the feed dogs down, which is what we'll demonstrate. And turn the jeans inside out. It makes it much easier to put the design underneath the foot. We are ready to stitch on our Stipple Scribble butterfly. It has been cut out and pinned onto the back pocket. We will tack it on by lowering our feed dogs and using a quilting type foot that will allow us to go up and down, and we will tack it on in just a few places. Next, we're ready to stitch the heart on the front of the jeans, which is in the middle of the pant leg. We'll place the jeans under the foot, being careful that the jeans are out of the way. Now we are ready to stitch on the Stipple Scribble heart. The pant leg was opened up, and now we have the heart pinned to about the center of the leg, and we will stitch it on by tacking it in a few places as well. Now we're ready to stitch the bow on the front of the jeans. It's placed underneath the pocket. We'll turn our jeans inside out and move the pocket out of the way and tack it into place. Once we are completely finished stitching on all of our designs, we'll take, so we can stitch the pant leg open and turn the jeans inside out. Then right sides together and raw edges even. Press this seam so it's flat and pin it so that it ends at the end exactly. You're ready to stitch the seam, press it, Fold the hem back into place, stitch the hem in place, turn your jeans right side out, and enjoy. Another project that we can make is a greeting card. We stitched out design 1257709, the lips, and after they were completely dried, glued them on a blank card. You'll find other videos posted on youtube.com under Embroidery Online for other designs and projects and tips. If you have any questions, you can email us at support@oesd.com. And our web pages are embroideryonline.com and embdesignstudio.com. Thank you for attending.